Yes, good morning to all of you. Welcome to your mathematics class. Now our topic is of complex number, that is of chapter 5. Okay, you know about this quadratic polynomial very well. You know the factor of this one. How can you make the factor of x minus 1, x plus 1, that is equal to 0, and you make the factor of 1 and minus 1. These two are the factor, that is the real numbers are the factor of this problem. If the equation come in the form of x square plus 1 equal to 0, then x square is equal to minus 1 and the square root of negative will write here not possible. Okay. Okay. In the one case in class 10th आपने पढ़ लिया है कि if d is less than 0, d, how you find the d is equal to d square minus 4ac. Then you are saying that roots are not real, that is imaginary. Okay, it means रूट्स में नेगेटिव नंबर्स एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते थे, इसीलिए आप बोल देते हैं कि रूट्स जो है यहाँ पर रियल नहीं है, दैट इज इमेजिनरी. ओके, बट नाउ हियर आई राइट इट एज प्लस माइनस आई. What is I? I is iota. What is I? I is iota. It is read as a iota. Okay, that is introduced by Euler. That is our mathematician who introduced this term, that is iota. What is the iota? That is the value of root of minus 1 is represented by I. On scaling both sides, you will have the value of iota square, that is 1. Again scaling both sides, you will have iota power 4, that is equal to minus 1 square, that is plus 1. Okay, here you have the values of 3 values. First is root minus 1 is equal to iota. Iota square is equal to minus 1 and iota power 4 is equal to plus 1. It means the multiple of 4, if I take any other power of iota power 4, that will be always 1. आप ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर आइटा की पावर 4 का मल्टीपल है, योर आंसर विल बी 1. आइदर इट मे बी आइटा की पावर 4 है या आइटा की पावर 8 है, आइटा's पावर 16, ऑल आर द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4, that means their value should be 1. Okay, and what about iota power 3? You can split it as iota square into iota. And what is the value of iota square? Value of iota square is minus 1. So minus 1 multiply I, that means your value will be minus iota. Okay, this is the fourth value which we are having here, that the value of iota cube is minus iota. These 4 values we use in our question. Okay, now you tell me if the question rise in this way, how we will solve it? You can write it as a minus 1 multiply 4. Okay, you can split the root. आपका रूट यहाँ पर स्प्लिट हो जाएगा, माइनस 1 का अलग से हो जाएगा और 4 का रूट अलग से हो जाएगा. The root of 4 is 2 and the root of minus 1 is iota, so the answer is 2 iota. Okay, similarly, if minus 1 is there, I have already told you that is iota. If I have minus 1 multiply root of minus 1, it means iota multiply iota, that is iota scale. Okay, in the same way, root of minus 36 is equal to root of minus 1 multiply 36. Root of 36 is 6, root of minus 1 is iota, the value is 6 iota. Okay, now come to the next topic. If I have the question in the form of iota power 7, how you will solve it? Firstly, divide आई वांट टू टेक एज ए पावर ऑफ 4. आपको इसको 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे क्योंकि हमें पता है आइटा की पावर 4 इज इक्वल टू 1. सो 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 1 जा 4, रिमाइंडर इज 3. यू विल राइट हियर 4 और 3 पावर आपकी लेफ्ट रह जाएंगी तो वो आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. द वैल्यू ऑफ आइटा 4 इज 1 इंटू आइटा क्यूब की वैल्यू इज minus iota. You will put here, so your answer will be minus iota. Okay, if I take the power iota power 27, how you will solve it? Again divide in the form of by the 4 in the form of power 4. So 4 6 are 24, 3 will be remainder. You will write here 6, 4 6 are 24 or 3 power will be left, 3 remainder will be left. Writing in this form. So put the value of iota power 4, that is 1 power 6 into what is the value of iota cube? Iota value of iota cube is minus iota. So 1 power 6 is 1 into minus iota. So your answer will be minus iota. If I take the more power, that is 99, again divide by 4. 4 1 4 2 is 8, 1 4 6 4 6 sorry, okay, 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे then you will have 4 1 4 2 8, 1 will be there, 4 4 16, then 3 will be there. You will write here the 24, 24 4s are 96 and the 3 power will be left here. So put the value of iota power 4, that is 1 power 24 and the value of iota cube is minus iota. So its answer will be minus iota. If there is any negative power is there, the root of minus 1 is there, then how you will solve it? Firstly, convert in the denominator part, make the power positive. जब भी किसी की पावर नेगेटिव आती है आइटा की फॉर्म में, आपको पहले उसको डिनोमिनेटर में लेके जाना है उसकी पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए. देन रेशनलाइजिंग, बिकॉज आइटा जो है डिनोमिनेटर में दैट इज नॉट इन अ सेप्टेबल फॉर्म, यू हैव टू रेशनलाइज इट. 1 into iota that is iota, iota into iota that is iota scale. So value of iota scale is minus 1, so your answer will be minus iota. If I take more power, that is minus 2, then again iota square and the value of iota square is minus 1, so your answer will be minus 1. Value of iota power minus 3, then again iota power 3. You can put the value of iota cube here, that will be minus iota. Again iota can't be on the denominator part, so again rationalize. You will have 1 iota by minus iota square. So again put the value of iota square here, that is minus 1, so your answer will be iota by 1, that is iota. Clear? In this way iota power minus 4, that is 1 by iota power 4, and put the value of iota power 4, that is 1 by 1, it's your answer will be 1. Okay, now come to the next question. Now you can see that here on observing these 4 values, you will see that their answer will be always 1, minus 1, plus iota and minus iota. Okay, your answer of 1 by iota is minus iota, 1 by iota square is minus 1, 1 by iota cube is 1 by iota cube is iota, and 1 by iota power 4 is 1. Okay, these are the values. Okay, the answer should be in the form of iota. You observe all these values, you always get the answer of in the form of plus minus 1 and plus minus 1. Okay, any power iota की कोई भी इंटीग्रल पावर हो, any integral power of iota gives the answer in the form of plus minus 1 and plus minus iota. All the 4 possible answer is possible for any power of iota. Okay, any integral power that should be an integer, so the answer will be plus iota, minus iota, plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, now come to the complex number. What is the complex number actually, which is our chapter name also. The complex number is always represented by C, or somewhere it is represented by capital Z. Okay, that is set of complex number, the set of complex number. In some books it is written as the capital C, in some books it is represented by the capital Z, which is A plus iota B, which is in the form of this. Okay, where A is the real part and B is the imaginary part. This is the real part. Okay, A is the real part of Z. Real part of Z is A and the imaginary part of Z is B. जो जिसमें रियल और इमेजिनरी जो इस फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है वो उसी को हम कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर बोलते हैं. क्लियर है? इन एग्जांपल 5 + 3 आइटा, अगर मैं इसको कंपैरिजन करूँ इस कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर से, तो रियल वैल्यू A की वैल्यू इज 5 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ B इज 3. व्हेन आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कंपेयर द Z with -5 - 3 iota, and I am just going to compare it with this one with our general complex number. The value of A will be -5 and value of B is with iota. Okay, that is -3. The value which is near the iota, that is considered as a B, and the constant term which there is no iota, that is considered as a. Okay, this is a complex number. Now there is another property. If B equal to 0, if B equal to 0, then what will be the value of Z? अगर मैं यहाँ इस B को 0 पुट कर दूँ तो Z की वैल्यू किसकी इक्वल होगी? A. That means it will be purely real number. Purely real number. अगर B 0 होगा तो आपका जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होगा वो प्योरली रियल नंबर होगा, और अगर आपका A 0 हो जाए, देन आपका जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होगा उसमें मैं A 0 कर दूँ तो क्या रहेगा? आइटा B, दैट इज प्योरली इमेजिनरी नंबर, इमेजिनरी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम, क्या आप किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को, क्या किसी भी रियल नंबर को कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की फॉर्म में रिटर्न कर सकते हैं? सपोज इफ आई हैव 2, इसको अगर मुझे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो मैं इसके साथ क्या लगा सकती हूँ? 0 आइटा. दैट इज ऑल्सो A plus iota B form. Okay, that is also written as a complex number. Again, taking another example here, the Z is equal to 3 iota, but here is the imaginary part, but the no real part. You can make it as a plus iota B by adding 0. Okay, now this is your A and this is your B. Value of A is 0 and the value of B is 3. Okay, now come to the next one. Equality of two complex numbers. Equality of two complex number. Suppose you have the two complex numbers Z1, that is A1 plus iota B1, and the Z2, that is A2 plus iota B2. A1 is the real part of Z1 and B1 is the real part of Z2. Real part of Z1 is A1 and imaginary part of Z1, IM means imaginary, RE means real. Z1 का इमेजिनरी पार्ट है वो B1 होगा जो I के साथ लगा हुआ है. ओके, इसी तरह से रियल पार्ट ऑफ Z2, Z2 के अंदर रियल पार्ट क्या है? दैट इज A2 एंड द इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ Z2, Z2 का इमेजिनरी पार्ट जिसमें I लगा हुआ है दैट इज B2. ओके, व्हेन स्टेटमेंट इज दिस कि आपको दिया हुआ है Z1 और Z2, दीज टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आर इक्वल, दैट इज द गिवन स्टेटमेंट टू यू. आपको ये गिवन है. व्हेन वी कैन से दैट दे आर इक्वल, it means A1 plus iota B1 will be equal to A2 plus iota B2, when their real part will be equal to real one and the imaginary will be equal to imaginary. This is only possible when A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. It means real part of Z1 should be equal to real part of Z2 and the imaginary part of Z1 will be equal to imaginary